What's the meaning of caviar? Caviar. Caviar.
Caviar. Caviar. Caviar refers to the salt-cured eggs from sturgeon, a large fish found in the Caspian and Black Seas. It is considered a delicacy and often served as an appetizer or garnish to other dishes. The taste of caviar is often described as rich and buttery, with a slightly briny flavor. It can range in color from light gray to dark brown and is typically served chilled in small portions. Caviar is also known for its high price tag and association with luxury and sophistication.